Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Diamond Springs, local and long-distance movers near me. Our skilled movers understand how to ensure that your long-distance move doesn't involve all the stress. Selecting our team to assist you means your cross-country move will go smoothly. With us, you get all the best moving services to make moving day so much simpler. Selecting our team guarantees you get access to all the common long-distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company may seem unnecessary originally. However, after a close look at the major perks of hiring a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. A reliable moving company is really going to help you save time no matter how far you're going. Movers can also make sure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move incredibly easy. Moving day gets simpler with 3 movers since we streamline your whole entire move. We can complete even the biggest moves in only a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Diamond Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.